Hi everyone. Okay, tonight's creation is going to be Sicilian-style lamb meatballs with cheesy potatoes. So, if you fancy learning how to make meatballs, so let me show you what I do. This is for 2 people and the ingredients in no particular order. We've got balsamic sun-dried tomato paste, 30 grams, beef stock, 1 onion, tablespoon of dried oregano, finely chopped tomatoes, 200 grams, 2 garlic cloves, 30 grams of grated Italian hard cheese. I've got some strong and tangy cheese, 250 grams of lamb mince. We've got some rocket, 30 grams of sultanas, and 3 white potatoes. You also need to add some olive oil, pepper, sugar and water. I don't add salt. It's gluten-free but does contain milk. It's 563 calories, 25 grams of fat, 52 carbs, 35 grams of protein, 7 grams of fibre and 20 grams of sugar. So chop your potatoes, drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper. As I say, I don't put salt. Put them in the oven, 220°C, gas mark 7. I'm actually going to put them in my air fryer. I actually use my air fryer for most things now. And they take about 20 to 25 minutes. Peel and finely dice half of your onion. Grate the remaining onion. Peel and finely chop or grate your garlic. Add your lamb mince to a bowl with the grated onion, half the chopped garlic. You'll use the rest later. Your dried oregano, sultanas and a very generous pinch of salt and pepper. Obviously I don't add the salt. Give everything a good mix up. Divide and shape into 3 meatballs per person. These are your lamb meatballs. Heat a large pan, preferably non-stick, over a medium heat and add a small drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, add the lamb meatballs and cook for 2 minutes on each side or until brown. Once the meatballs have browned, transfer them to a plate and set aside. These will finish cooking in the sauce later. Add the diced onion to the pan with a pinch of salt and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until slightly softened. Once they're slightly softened, add the remaining chopped garlic and balsamic sun-dried tomato paste and cook for 1 minute or until fragrance. So after you've cooked it for 1 minute, add your chopped tomatoes to the pan. Add 100 ml of cold water and half a tablespoon of sugar and bring to the boil over a high heat. This is the beef stock powder. And this is the sugar. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and return the browned lamb meatballs to the pan. Cook covered for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally or until the meatballs are cooked through, no pink meat, and the sauce has reduced to a ragu-like consistency. These are your Sicilian-style lamb meatballs. Remove the potatoes from the air fryer, as in my case. Sprinkle over your grated Italian hard cheese and a generous pinch of pepper. Return the tray to the oven for a final 7 to 8 minutes or until golden. These are your cheesy potatoes. Serve the Sicilian-style lamb meatballs with the cheesy potatoes to the side. I've also added a side of rocket. Look how tasty those meatballs look. And I'll be really honest with you, this was one of the most favourite meals I have cooked. The taste was unbelievable. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this meal. Is it something you would think of cooking? Thank you for watching and take care.